in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn your first $5 online as a beginner. So I actually created a video on how to open a PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria. So I'm making this video in respect to that video because some actually want to test the PayPal account if it can actually receive money. So I created this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to earn your first $5 within some few hours in a day. So in a day you're going to make that $5 and you're going to withdraw the money to your PayPal account to test if the PayPal account can actually receive money. So before we get started, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon and kindly like this video. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the app is called 𝗪𝗛𝗧𝗪𝗛𝗧. So you can actually click the link, the first link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to this app on Google Play Store or App Store. So you're going to click on the install button. So once you click on install, you're actually going to wait for the app to install on your mobile device. So kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end because I'm actually going to show you how you can actually get up to $5 in a day. If you don't watch this video to the end, you're not going to know how to get the $5 in a day because it's actually a little bit complicated. Okay guys, so the app is actually installing, so allow it to install. So as you can see, the app is installing. Just give it some little time. Where I am now. Okay, so kindly open the app. So once you open the app, it's going to take you to the app proper. So as you can see, 𝗪𝗛𝗧𝗪𝗛𝗧, easy tax. With 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗪𝗧, you can easily earn credits to your smartphone. So just click on the next button right here. So click on next, and then it's going to show you. So as you can see, payout is PayPal. So you're going to withdraw into a PayPal account. So just wait for it to load, and then you click on the next button, and then you're going to enter your mobile number. You're going to enter your mobile number in this box here. So you're going to click on it and enter your mobile number. So you're going to enter your mobile number. So you're going to enter your mobile number right here. As you can see, I've actually entered my mobile number, and they are going to accept all these conditions. So you're going to click accept, 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 accept. Then under we have referral code option, and you have to enter a referral code so you can get a bonus, so you can be able to withdraw your first $5. So we're going to paste, check the referral code is going to be on the screen and on the description of this video. As you can see, this is the referral code. This code is going to actually give you the first your first $5. You're going to get it. So you're going to click on receive bonus now. Once you click on it, you're going to see, just wait a minute for you to process your data for you. So kindly wait. As you can see, please enter the verification code sent to you. So they're going to send the verification code to your. They're going to send the verification code to your mobile number. So you're actually going to wait for it to land, and they're going to paste the verification code right here, and then click on send. So I'm actually waiting for the verification code. So as you can see, it's automatic. Immediately the code lands, it's going to automatically be verified. As you can see, 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗪𝗧 invitation code. So this is it. So as you can see, you're on the app right now. So in this app, you can actually make money. So let me show you how to earn the first $1. So you're gonna, you see there are different bunch of offers you can complete on the app. As you can see, these are offers. So easy offers. Once you just complete about, it's going to complete few, and I'm going to be able to earn. But completing these offers, just if you have time, you can just complete the offer, and in a day you can actually reach the minimum withdrawal. So you're going to click on this euro sign right here. So as you can see, you have 0 credits. So as you can see, 250 credits in bracket. This is $2.5. That is the minimum amount to withdraw. So once you have getting up to 250 credits, you're going to click on minimum. You're going to click on get money right here to withdraw your money. So you click on these settings, then click on our PayPal account, and then you're going to enter new PayPal email. You're going to enter your PayPal email right here. Enter your PayPal email right here, then click on update. So that's how it's going to be done. So to earn your, as you can see, share the app and get credits for everyone who signed up. We're going to get 20 credits for everyone who signed up using your referral link. We're going to get 20 credits for everyone who signed up using your referral link. So I'm actually going to be showing you. Actually, need to refer about 12 people. Yeah, 12 people to withdraw your first $2.5. So I'm actually going. So if I actually do the calculation, you can actually see that 20 credits times 12 people, that's about 240. So let's just say about maybe you can complete one offer to complete it, and the side. So you can see this is 240, so which is about $2 and it's about $2.5. So you can actually place a withdrawal after withdrawing 12 people. So if you don't know how to refer, so you can actually just message me on Telegram. I'm gonna leave my Telegram link. I'm actually going to show you how to get 12 referrals. Very easy. How to get 12 people to sign up. Very easy, or you can actually do it by yourself.